Today we are going to be looking at the Life Q30 by Soundcore. Now maybe you're looking for a new pair of headphones. Stick around to find out if it's any good. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. So I decided to buy another pair of headphones because you can never have one too many. And after looking at reviews and value for money, I decided to go for the Soundcore Life Q30 by Anker. If you would like to find out more about this product, then the information is in the description box underneath the like button. There are a lot of features with this headphone, but to mention some, it has hybrid active noise cancellation, high-res audio, quick pairing with NFC, and this hardcover case that houses the headphones along with a leaflet. So on the leaflet you have a quick start guide, gives you instructions how to set it up, download the app, 1 to 12 different instructions, how do we sound, give them a review, and health and safety information. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. On first impressions, I think they look absolutely fantastic with the all black finish and the bronze accent for the logo on the cans, and it feels very well made, durable yet premium looking, lightweight as well but sturdy at the same time. We have a piece of foam which keeps your headphones safe in transit. We have a pouch which includes accessories, I'll discuss that later on, and also some padding at the top which will keep your headphones safe. And at the bottom there's a quick illustration on how you should house your headphones whilst it's in the case. Hey, wait a minute. Just a quick shameless plug. If you want to see more short form content, more reels, more behind the scenes, then do remember to follow me on Instagram at Carlos Tech. So let's have a look at the pouch itself, what's included. So we have a USB-C to USB-A cable for charging and a 3.5mm audio cable for direct connection. Okay, so let's proceed with talking about the headphone itself. On either side in bronze accent we have active noise cancelling. At the top we have a brushed metal finish which feels premium to the touch. We also have a lot of articulation, it pivots, it swivels on the can itself, so if you have a different head size, shape, it should hopefully comfortably fit on any sort of head, because I've got a rather large one and it fits comfortably on mine. On the right can we have a sticker for NFC enabling with an Android phone and also 1 second for transparency mode. Alright, that was a pretty big fail, but look at that, look how nice that bronze on the black look itself. You also have plenty of head adjustability, so let me give you a quick reference, right? When I go to go-karting, I need the largest helmet, that's how big my head is, and this fits me with a bit of room. There's a soft cushion on the top, so you can use it for several hours without it becoming uncomfortable. Inside the ear cups it shows left and right, so you know which way it should be put on your head. And also the cushions are very soft, so I've used it around 2 hours listening to podcasts and music, and it felt comfortable even after a prolonged amount of use. And also check out this tactile feedback on these buttons. Now that is pretty reassuring, right? So on one side we have volume up and down, skip, and the headphone jack. On the other we have USB-C, power on and off, and noise cancellation. As previously mentioned, you can use NFC quick tap to pair your Android phone. However, you can use the conventional method of using Bluetooth, and then you can use it on your iPhone or Android. The sound is pretty good straight off the bat, okay? It sounds pretty decent. However, if you want a bespoke sound, you can download the Soundcore app. It will pick up your headphones, and on the app there are quite a lot of features. So the first one is being superior sleep. So if you initiate this mode, it uses ambient sound to improve your sleep. So that can be rainstorm, thunderstorm, ambient noises, and it's quite soothing. I actually tried it for around 10-15 minutes, and it sort of gets you in a drowsy state to improve your sleep. Although you have a button for noise cancellation mode, on the app you can choose further modes such as transport, indoor or outdoor. There's different option of equalizer. You can go on default and choose acoustic, podcast, classical, R&B, whichever type of music you're listening to or what suits your need. Or if you're an audiophile, you can go into the custom settings and change the EQ yourself to get the right sound. And once you're finished with the headphones, you can put it back in the hard case. To sum it up, I think the headphones has fantastic build quality, very good sound quality as well. I've listened to R&B music, pop music and podcast. The voice is clear, a little bit heavy on the bass side, but that's how I like my music. I have also had several telephone conversations. The microphone pickup is extremely good and the voice clarity is fantastic. Right guys, so that was a quick look at the Soundcore Life Q30 by Anker. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then please consider subscribing. Always stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Take care.